Hey Janelle, I was out in the community today, so I wanted to come by and see how the progress of the homes come along. Looks like it's making some nice progress. We've got the foundation in, it looks like. Garage foundation right there. So that will be driveway, side entry garage. Beautiful backdrop. See if I could get a little closer. Just finished raining, so try not to get crazy with this Georgia clay. You can see. Oh, nice. Yep, all the foundation is poured. Awesome, awesome. See water lines and plumbing. We got the back patio, concrete. This was a lot of grading to do, and they still got some more. You can see the rocks in the back, but looking really, really good. See if I can walk and give you a side view as well. For all of our Great Homes ATL family members and followers, this is the exciting process. Love to share step by step so you get the same feeling and inspiration. But yep, they got that's called a retaining wall there. So that's when if water flows down, you want to keep it away from the house. So it will go off there to the left. But this is going to be great. Great backyard. Absolutely beautiful. And they got the same thing, the retaining wall on that side as well. But here is a progress update. So they should be probably dropping off framing material pretty soon. I would say sometime this month to get the house starting to frame. It's getting cured right now, the concrete. And passing inspections each way. Awesome. All right, I'll talk to you soon.